Hello students, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. In this video, I am going to teach introduction of bookkeeping and accountancy. Let us study about the objectives of accounting. The objectives of accounting are as follows. First is ascertain the profits or loss of a business for a particular accounting period, which means the objective of accountancy is to find out the profit or loss of the business for a particular financial year. Second objective is to establish the financial position of a business during a given accounting period. So the financial position of a company is measured by the performance of the company and its financial statements. So a good financial position means to have a positive and growing cash flow statement, a growing profit and loss statement, and a balance of assets, liabilities, and owner's equity in the balance sheet. Third objective is to determine the positions of assets and liabilities on any given date, which means the overall financial position of a company is determined by the quality of current assets and liabilities. All these assets and liabilities of the company are recorded in order of date wise. So accounting helps us to determine the financial position of an asset and liabilities of a particular date. Fourth objective of accountancy is to identify and keep a check on any fraud and misappropriations of money. Misappropriation includes false or misleading records or documents, unauthorized use of funds, theft of assets, causing an entity to pay for goods or services that have not been received, payroll frauds, etc. So accounting helps to keep a check on all of these factors. Fifth objective is to spot the various errors and rectify them by passing the necessary entries. So accountancy's objective also includes to check the error and rectify, which means to correct it by passing an appropriate journal entries in the books of accounts. Sixth objective is to verify the arithmetic accuracy of the books of accounts. Arithmetic accuracy includes to check all the ledger account closing balance, trial balance, which helps in determining the accuracy of journal and ledger posting. The trial balance is assumed to be accurate only when the total of the debit side is equal to the total of credit side. So accountancy helps to verify and check the arithmetic accuracy of the books of accounts. Seventh objective of accountancy is to compute the cost of production. Cost of production can include a variety of expenses such as labor, raw materials, consumable, manufacturing supplies, and general overheads. So cost of production refers to the total cost incurred by a company to produce a specific quantity of a product. Eighth objective is to facilitate the management in decision making by providing accounting ratios, reports, and relevant data. So accounting helps a business decide when, where, and how much money is supposed to be spent based on the financial data. Using capital budgeting metrics such as net present value and internal rate of return helps the management in decision making whether to invest on costly projects or purchases. Also, accounting ratios helps the management in communicating information which is useful for decision makers to ensure the effectiveness of management in the company. Ninth objective is to facilitate the management in preparing, analyzing, and controlling the cash flows of the business. So cash flow management is the process of tracking how much money is coming into and out of the business. So it is very important for the management to handle the cash flow appropriately. Even a profitable business can fail if cash flow is not managed properly. Tenth objective of accountancy is to help the management form policies for controlling cost, preparation of quotation for competitive supply, etc. So cost control is the practice of identifying and reducing business expenses to increase profits. Cost control is an important factor in maintaining and growing profitability. Also, quotation is a document that a supplier will submit to a potential client that lists the proposed prices for the supplies of goods or services. So, accounting helps the management to prepare cost control policies and preparation of quotation for supply.